Peace and richest blessings. I am Michael Bernard Beckwith, the founder of Agape International Spiritual Center right here in Los Angeles, California. Many of you may know me from the movie and the book, The Secret. Many of you may know me from Super Soul Sunday with my friend Oprah Winfrey. Many of you may know me from the book Spiritual Liberation. But I want you to come to hear me and participate in wonderful teachings as I basically speak about the law of attraction, the law of radiance, the law of radiation, the law of emergence. All of this is what I'm going to cover. And I want you to be there. Ritamville is producing this powerful organization that's dedicated to awakening. We're going to be in Seoul, Korea. We're going to be in Jeju Island. Remember these dates, October 20th through the 24th. And this is what I want you to know. There is something within you that is magnificent. It's untouched by time and experience. And with your participation, it can unfold and totally transform your life experience, heal places in your life that you think are unhealable, and allow you to be pulled by a vision that's beyond your imagination. All of this we're going to cover right there with you. I am Michael Bernard Beckwith, and I'm inviting you to this powerful, soulful relay. It's going to be magnificent.